Look for you because you want me to see you. If me even so like lime, me never beg you to watch this. Never send call you. You're too enough. Come on, me give you, miss. Hello? How much me give you? Alright. All of me so like lime, me never beg you to watch this. Me talk to the people who are willing to listen and willing to hear. Yeah, so to myself say 150 danger. None of your credit, none of your business. One place start. This at the top. Oh, them wicked. How we cut a man a neighbor string and never. When we know about how we cut on the neighbor string and never did blood clot for the good. More on come off of me. I want to the leg of me, my mother, my auntie, and the world will let you go. We don't own nothing to see you. Leave your business alone. We are not a family, we don't know the family way. We don't have the same last name. We don't know who no. Let we go. Low way, come off away. I'll gunplay a play. I'll gunplay me here a go on. What about gun this and gun that? A long time. Man, I got to tell me for a long time. I don't like you. What do you mean? But all that's supposed to Japan. You're too enough. You know like? Keep it in. No, me don't know if me. A man not supposed to like nobody because I'm a fuck man. Yeah, too blood clot enough. And your granny, and your mama, and your blood. Class it in. So, the one. Jump down. Mr. People, Mr. The world to come near my body. Wall. The wall I know. Woman, every blood clot, man. Instead of the time to come read it. Why? Me. There. You say I come by something, I know me not use it. They buy everything.
You're cute too.
No one to buy.
Oh yeah, you know the family they do this about
there. Yes. My business no do that talk. I don't know one this don't come. Yes, people. Never really know how it go. Mr. The one to come here, my body. Not too enough. And the family, all took up people, all took up. Make good carry one a basket. Why you carry a basket for me? I want war up on top. I say, me rather fight like more wanted and can't dead. And who I talk about gun. I say anybody me can't man, I find the precinct. I find it because me now for Mr. Officer, him tell me say I go shoot me no offer. Me now for Officer, him have gun, him a gunman. Me see him with it. Me now for say so. Me now for say officer, them a gun people. Me now for say them a gunman. Me now for say so. Go gun. Gun can't say when your time come for dead. Gun. Mr. Steve, you alone. I see if you alone. Some of them can't live and shut up them blood clot, dirty mouth. And fast and up in a blood clot people business. You do all the dirty nasty blood clot. All long time. Boars. Oh, much June and her mother and her baby father. and I fuck out auntie will live up the road, so the woman other than a head bar. You fuck up more than my blood clot auntie, because you're born before. Give me a second.
150 ginger.
Yes, because you fuck up more than my auntie, because you're born before. You're born before my auntie, so you fuck up more than her. Because she's 14 and you are 8. You fuck out and done out and rev out. And you're yet to come up and like after you have blood clot, yes, the panic. She has children that have million here. The man with your blood clot, but I fuck you usually blood clot sell him. You're going like you're good as. I told me never hear. People are mad. This is how I'm going to go in the business. I'm mad. Give me a second. Oh, tired and bright. Don't keep my auntie cam.
150.
Yes, madam, come. Let's soon address them. You can't, my auntie can't fuck out more than you. Because you born before my auntie. So you move to fuck out more than she. And the man where you live with a fuck, you usually blood clot sell him. Fuck.
150 ginger.
How fuck you usually tell him? You have 8 pin and my auntie only have 4. So who move for blood clot fuck out? And I age still upon blood clot almanac. And your age, not even in a blood clot cash back line. Your age is not even a lactose. Your age is not in a lactose. A lot of them. From 1 to 37.
150 ginger.
That's what from 1 to 30 blood clots. Because you know none of them the age there. So oh, my auntie will fuck up. And I ate the blood clot. Oh, my auntie will fuck up more than you. And my auntie age depend all. Sorry, don't bother people. Eh? Oh, my auntie fuck up more than you. And you born before my blood clot auntie. My auntie age still upon almanac. My auntie age still upon almanac. I name still in a lotto line. I name still in a cash back bill. So she will fuck up more than you. Eh? Low off away.
150 ginger.
Answer the phone already.
150
Let
ginger.
we go. We not owe nothing. Let we go. Free way. Father God do so much many for Father from Jesus from before Christ. Them are wicked people. And them still put him on the cross and them still about to crucify him. We never do nothing. What we do no? We don't own nothing. None of them power like map, blood clot, like chink in a piece out bed. Like some fly pan shit. Look come like drunk on them dead blood clot meat. Low way. We better go sell a gun and buy a car and invest. And when the rapture gun can't save no away.
150 ginger.
And if we dead, no man gun can't save we. Because some people got a bed and awake. So we are talking about gun. And who a long time me a pray, you know, one blood clot pray. One pray.
150 ginger.
But make sure when you dig the hole, you dig two, because remember you got pitney. And the same way you pray somebody is pitney, and the same way somebody pray your one, and pray your family them too.
150 ginger.
Remember you got pitney, you got family live in TV Garden. So the same, oh, you pre people and them pitney. I saw them are pre you blood clot while your blood clot family. So when you are choose when you good, when you are dig hole, try dig it good. Good dig hole. And anything we look at is that anything in our life, I got is the third, second, and fourth generation. No worry about me and my family, them. What it to be, what it to be must be you can't extend it, you can't delete it, you can't erase it. From God put in a place, that's what I go work out.
Hello, who am I?
I'm not job, I'm ignorant. People must have to come live and talk about these things.
150, ginger 150.
Because there's no way you can see somebody and them family in a cascas, in a corobuncus, in a baga, and you as an individual got to take upon your head and carry the water with the basket. So when you do that now, all the go. Eh? I want to the people, man. Yes.
Hello, who am I? Who am I?
Hi, hello, I'm saying something now. Like you want to look one, come. Come talk to me. In a moment, come talk to me. Come on. Talk to me.
Ginger 150.
Come on up.
Ginger 150. Ginger 150. Ginger 150. Ginger 150.
Why have a problem be a problem? Comment one day. End the life. One for end the life.
Ginger
Hey, come out for the live. You come out for the live. Why have a good member? That's your business. Come out of people business. Watch your own business. That's why I get green. Come out for the live. Come on, fight. Me never send call you. Please. Come on, fight. Me never send call you. When you come out, there used to be 100 and add more. I know you made the code so heavy. So please leave. Never send call you. Me never voice note you. Me never message you. Me never beg you to stay. Goodbye. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching.
Ginger 150.
Me never beg you to stay. So when you go do all of them something, I answer to myself, say, why?
Ginger 150.
Eh? Mind your own business, man. I'm modern time when people are trying to mind them own a business.
150 ginger.
Yeah, make them draw me up, my love. Me not look on them. But them enough bad.
Ginger
If them a live in a city, them enough. Them enough, them plenty, them come like oxygen. Them need it. Yeah. The people them not I couldn't find it, I can't find it for my own business. Enough and I want to favor all of them there's something there. I'm still a leader by a mile. I can't do this. Still trending, still over you. Yeah. Still a outrun you. Yeah. So all the way I say now, that's when I just feel like, yeah, I'm on top of the world. Cause you watch me, I mean I watch you. Festive baby, you watch me, I mean I watch you. So you never back a track. You not sell nothing. Still trending, still a lead. All the way I go say, but still a lead.
Sorry, excuse.
So that. Mind your own business. Stop let you hear people and them people in a story. Stop let people business be your business. That business of your own. What me and my family have to do with you and your family. What me and my family have to do with you and your family. We're not related. Me name Dixon. My mother name Pike. My auntie name Coneman. We don't have a last name. We're not a relative. We're not too enough. Mind your own business. You can't mind your own business.
150, 150.
I saw no expert to live in a civic garden every day, but man and woman. Call man stay so too, you know. Some big pussy man stay so.
Ginger 150.
But we a panty. Some big pussy dirty man. Some dirty boy.
Ginger 150.
Some boy. Some land catches boy. Yeah. Some land catches boy.
150.
Come like Batman. And them lead Batman. Them lead Batman. And mostly Batman talk about a man and fuck. But them still them gossip with woman and them chat and lack frack tail. Some look up big pussy boy was the period. Both upstairs and downstairs. I want them bring them out to me. I want them a blood clot for your shot. Cause any boy lick me. Me know me can't lick about me know me I got the station. Any boy will lick me. I mean answer anybody will answer anything to me. I want to like go for somebody who live in the lane see all this. Some look a big pussy boy.
150.
When some of them will live some of them one of the one will live in the lane and one will live up the road and house come to the lane. Some big pussy boy.
150 ginger.
Some girl. Some boy will see period every month. Well, in a people girl and a lap fracture like you know. I'm sick to the day I got no waste boy like you know. On a bad mind. I go to the girl to make a woman bound the pussy and them can't take fuck. You can't take fuck. Open them out. I go to the girl to make a woman can't take fuck and can't take fuck. Eh? I go to the woman and can't them can't fuck and can't take fuck. You come like some little waste man. Every people the woman and love the woman so much. One of them go put her on the bed. Drunk crow, dog shit, dirty people living at the lane. One of them go put her on the bed. Dirty stinking people. Dirty people don't have no life. Both young and old. We sit down and chat people every day. But look something do. One of them can't put her on the bed. What I be careful for? When I be careful for, I be careful of blood clots. Me nah be careful. Me nah done, me them kill me. My cup overfull. At the second time, know them me nah me wait until it be a third. Make them kill me. At the second time them do this, I mean nah make it be a third. Me nah make it be a third. Me nah make it be a third. And them know themselves all are who. One from a former style.
I come kill people out here. I saw me know to the eagle one.
Never block you when me done festive be a BBY. Never block you. Are you too much? I like you really look at highlighter and notification. Me not really do girl. Me not do girl. Me not watch a girl look for a girl shape. That has nothing to do with me.
Ginger 150.
But try to be me and think big in her life. So I know why you constantly I try for me see you. I look at hype. I try to look something. I never send call a girl.
Danger 150. Danger 150. You know about this very blood.
Me too. And me put up on the bench. Bitch. And me put up on the bench.
Danger
What kind of wickedness me do? Eh? And me make your father fuck you 10 times in your throat. What kind of wicked?